And moving on, some breaking news coming in ahead of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's visit in Delhi's oldest and biggest landfill, Ghazipur. High drama has been witnessed near the landfill. Both BJP and AAP workers are protesting against each other. Now, ahead of the visit, Kejriwal tweeted saying in their last 15 years of controlling the civic body in Delhi, BJP has nothing to solve the garbage issue. In return, BJP responded by saying that after playing dirty politics for 8 years, Delhi CM is talking about serious work. And those are the visuals on your screen where AAP and BJP are staging a simultaneous protest. And this is coming ahead of the Delhi civic body polls, and those are the live visuals on your screen where black flags are being raised against Kejriwal, and AAP is staging a counter protest against the BJP. And to add more on this, I'm being joined in by Ela. Ela, there is high drama which is unfolding in the national capital ahead of the civic body polls. First AAP and now BJP, both of them are seeing in a major phase of protest. Ela, if you can hear me. All right. So
Right now I'm present at Ghazipur landfill, and you can see through the visuals only how dramatic it is getting ahead of Chief Minister visit to Ghazipur landfill site. And you can see on the one side there are BJP workers, and on the other side there are Aam Aadmi Party workers, and there is a face off going on between both the party workers. And you can see police is trying to control the situation and trying to remove, as they both are fighting on the street, on the main road, between the main road. They are fighting on the one side. The Kejriwal supporters are there, and on the other side, BJP supporters are raising slogans here. And just before Chief Minister visit to Ghazipur landfill, this high voltage drama is being played right between the roads of Ghazipur stretch, and this particular road goes towards National Capital Delhi, and you can see how it has affected the traffic as well. You can see how in such a long queue vehicles are waiting. This has disrupted everything, and you can see how they are pushing and pulling each other, and high voltage drama is being played as Aam Aadmi Party's convener and Chief Minister of Arvind Kejriwal was all set to visit Ghazipur landfill. He has tweeted about this right before last night, and you can see Aam Aadmi Party workers raising slogans about BJP and how the common people are suffering. You can see how this person was folding his hands so that he is able to pass through this, how this is affecting the traffic. क्या नाम है आपका? मेरा नाम जयंती झा है, मैं आरके पुरम विधानसभा से
मनोज त्यागी, लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन एडीएमसी।
आप ये बताइए क्या हुआ था? एक तरफ आप है, दूसरी तरफ बीजेपी है। क्या हुआ था? कौन आया था? कैसे झगड़ा इतना बढ़ गया?
देखिए, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की आज सीएम साहब पोल खोलने के लिए आ रहे हैं। पिछले 17 सालों के अंदर इन लोगों ने क्या क्या भ्रष्टाचार किए हैं वो दिल्ली की जनता को पता चलता जा रहा है। आज दिल्ली की जनता पूरी तरह से इनके खिलाफ खड़ी है। आज दिल्ली की जनता को पता है कि इन्होंने जन्म में
क्या हुआ था, अभी क्या हुआ था?
इन लोगों ने झगड़ा करने का प्रयास किया। हमारे कार्यकर्ता की अंगूठी से अंगुली से अंगूठी चुरा ली और मारा पीटी करने का प्रयास किया।
मार तोड़ कर रहे हैं। शर्म आनी चाहिए बीजेपी को। एक जनता का मुद्दा लेके आम आदमी पार्टी आई है, पत्थर बरसा रहे हैं।
हम अपना प्रदर्शन करना है कूड़े को लेकर, उसके बावजूद भी ये लोग पत्थर बरसा रहे हैं, रोने मारे, ईंट मार रहे हैं हमारे पार्टी कार्यकर्ताओं को।
You can see how the Aam Aadmi Party workers are protesting against the BJP workers, and simultaneously BJP workers are raising slogan on the other side of roads. You can see that BJP workers are raising slogans with a black ribbon on their forehead and black flags. They reached there and they also started raising slogan ahead of Aam Aadmi Party's protest in National Capital Delhi, and this has turned violent, and the police is trying to control the crowd here, as both the workers were fighting like cats and dogs, and it was such a high voltage drama and visuals which were being played. आप बीजेपी से हैं?
जी
क्या हुआ था, किसने ये झगड़ा शुरू किया?
देखिए, हम झगड़ा करने नहीं आए थे। हमारे सांसद गौतम गंभीर जी द्वारा ये लैंडफिल का काम चल रहा था। हम दिल्ली के सीएम हमेशा ही ऐसे करते हैं कि काम नहीं करता, क्रेडिट अपना चिपका देते हैं कि मैंने किया। उनका शुरू से ये पॉलिसी रही है। तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता गौतम गंभीर जी के लिए यहाँ आए थे कि ये काम केजरीवाल का नहीं है, हमने किया है। क्योंकि हमारी
यहाँ पे आरोप लग रहे हैं कि आप लोगों ने पत्थर चलाए, आप लोगों ने
हमने पत्थर नहीं चलाए, इन्होंने हम पे पत्थर चलाए, थप्पड़ मारे। उल्टा ये गुंडा पार्टी है, ये केजरीवाल के गुंडे हैं। ये गुंडे भेज रखे हैं केजरीवाल ने भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता को डराने के लिए। महिलाओं के ऊपर महिलाओं पे ये हाथ उठा रहे हैं, धक्के दे रहे हैं। ये गुंडे हैं केजरीवाल के, डरने वाली नहीं भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कोई कार्यकर्ता।
So you can see that one side, Aam Aadmi Party workers are raising slogan, on the other side, BJP workers. Now Delhi police is trying to control the situation, but you can see the clear face-off and fight erupted between both the party supporters, and you can see how they are fighting amidst between the road like cats and dogs, and how this has affected the life of common commuters as well. Many people are going towards the Delhi right now from NCR region, and this is the main stretch where this fight has erupted. There is no control of police. We can see on both the party workers. Police even tried to remove some of them, but they again started to protest right now. And you can see how they are debating, fighting, raising slogan amidst each other. And you can see how this has affected the life of commuters as well. We will go through the people as well, because it is their problem. This is the main stretch of NCR which goes through Delhi. People from Ghaziabad as well as Noida come from this particular stretch, and now it is fully jammed and jam packed, and vehicles are moving bumper to bumper, and there is no space for the commuters as well. And you can see how such a long queue of vehicles there at the Ghazipur road. This stretch goes towards the
Ila, if I
Pragati
can ask you
Maidan
to speak
and
to
ITO,
few of the
and
commuters
this is
there who are still stuck in the traffic, given that it's a very crucial stretch of road that connects Delhi to Ghazipur. If you could speak to some of the commuters to get their reaction as well.
आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
लक्ष्मी नगर।
कितनी देर से फंसे हुए ये सब जो चल रहा है उस बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
25 मिनट से।
25 मिनट से फंसे हुए हैं, जरूरी काम के लिए जा रहे थे।
हाँ।
अब ये आम आदमी पार्टी और बीजेपी के बीच में झगड़ा हो रहा है, लेकिन इससे आम लोगों को क्या समस्या आ रही है?
आम लोगों को तो समस्या सबसे शुरू से रही है मैडम, ठीक है। आज कोई नहीं है, चाहे कोई भी सरकार आए, कोई भी सही नहीं है। किसी को जिम्मेदार ठहराना कोई गलत बात है। सभी करप्ट हैं, कोई पीछे नहीं है।
You can say commuters who are stuck for around 25 minutes in this particular stretch, and they are saying that nobody listens to their problems and plight.
Right.
आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
मेरे को ये लक्ष्मी नगर जाना है।
क्या कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट काम से जा रहे हैं?
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट काम है।
Right, Ila, that's what we are picking up from those live visuals now at the time when there is mega showdown on the streets of the national capital, where both the sides are fighting against each other. The AAP versus BJP ahead of the MCD polls there. The commuters are stuck in traffic for us now, as the important key route that connects Delhi to Ghazipur has been blocked. Commuters are stuck in traffic for at least 30 minutes now. And that's a wrap on this edition of News Bulletin. News and updates will continue on the other side. Stay tuned to Mrana.